Hey guys, I'm Chef D-Max. Welcome back to my kitchen. Turkey Club sandwiches today, so you're going to want to stick around. Click subscribe if you're not doing that. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and ring that bell, and I'll send you new things I have coming up. So stay with me for a beautiful Turkey Club. Hey guys, all right, Turkey Club sandwich. Super simple, right? You guys have had these, you've made them, you've eaten them in restaurants. I don't know if you make them or not. I'm here to teach you how to make this basic sandwich. So with that, I like a simple white bread. This is kind of a firmer, more locally made, I should say, white bread, so it has a little bit more density to it. If you want to use just a old school soft bread, you can do that too. I'm going to toast these, okay? So we're going to throw this in the toaster really quick. So here, I pop those in, and I'm going to let those go for about 30 seconds. I don't want to overly toast those. Now, while we're doing that, I got a piece of paper towel here, and I'm going to take bacon. Let me show you what this looks like, you guys. So I can't leave it here because it's hot, but you can see I lay my bacon on top of a grated pan, right? Underneath of that's gonna be all the oil's gonna drip down. I want to keep that bacon fat for later. I can use it for other things. I can make dough crust with that. I can saute things with that. It's amazing. Put it on greens, like beautiful sauteed greens or grilled greens. Anyway, this bacon, you're just gonna roast it like that in the oven, so it's not sitting in its fat. It's gonna render quicker. So I'm going to take off probably 5 slices is good. 4, 5. That's more than enough. And then what I do is I put it on a paper towel just to kind of dry it a little bit. Even though I like the bacon fat, I could go straight on there. It would not bother me one bit, you guys. But this way it'll moisten it just a little bit. Now let me check my bread. Nope. Bread's got to go a little bit longer, okay? So I've got some beautiful turkey here, turkey meat. I probably have like 2 sections of double meat. So there's 2 slices on each one, because on this Turkey Club, like you guys have probably seen, or maybe you haven't seen, is that we're going to build a double stack of it. And that's what kind of makes this Turkey Club really popular. Now with that, I'm going to make this lettuce. The lettuce I'm going to cut into almost the same size as my bread. So I have all of these slices. Now, if you wanted to finely chop that up, you could do that too. But with this, I like to do it like this and just have these beautiful pieces of sliced romaine like this ready to go. So that's ready to go, you can see. And then the tomato, I had an extra piece of tomato here. I'm going to cut the bottom off of it. Okay. You should really never throw these away. Put them in the fridge. I puree them and I add them to other stuff. When you'll see me cooking a lot of times, and I'll use tomato water. So I'll take those bits of tomato, I'll throw them in the fridge, and after a couple days, I'll puree them in my mixer with a little bit of water, and then you can add those to things. Whoops, there's my toast. Okay, so I probably want to cut like four slices. Yeah, this one needs to be evened out a little bit. Perfect. Okay. That's good. Now, let me get that one piece of bread here. You can see. All right. And I want to dry this station a little bit. Now, because I'm cutting tomato on that, you want to make your bread soggy, right? So, we've got our bread toasted. Look how beautiful this toasted bread is, right? I like to take this little short piece of bread here. It's kind of towards the end. I'm going to stick that there. This will be my topper one because this is a nice looking one, right? So with this, you're gonna put mayonnaise on all 3 pieces here. So, I mean, so many people in the summertime would just have a tomato sandwich. My parents used to just eat a tomato sandwich right from the garden with a lot of mayonnaise on it, and man, that was something special, right? But this, just a little bit of mayonnaise on all these pieces like this. It's going to make it wonderful. Okay, now that's that. All right, now I do lettuce first. So 1, 2 pieces of lettuce like that. Probably 2 pieces of lettuce on both sides is fine. Like this. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to put my turkey meat here. And because it's heavy on one side with that, I'll flip this baby on this side on the next one. See? So when we make this sandwich, it's going to come together and it'll be even height. So I'll put I like to put my my tomato with my bacon, like right against my bacon. So I put this here. Now, what I like to do as well is put a little salt right on top of my tomatoes. Why? Salt and tomatoes are match made in heaven. Even if you have a really good bacon that's salty, I still add salt. So I have to trim these down so it looks like we get 3 slices on each side. So you have to kind of break them in half like this. And there's kind of an extra piece there. You can always taste it. I love bacon. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to lay this on top like this. And then turn this puppy like this. And this sandwich is about a good smush. We want to smush it down like that. You can toothpick it if you want. I got a couple big toothpicks, so I had to break them a little bit. And that's it. Cut that baby in half. Look how wonderful that looks, you guys. Unbelievable. Such a great sandwich. Turkey club. I'm going to do this right here. There's no better way than trying one of these right now. Or make some special. Bacon saltiness, turkey gives you this nice meatiness, but you have so much lettuce and tomato on there to give you freshness. On a simple bread, a turkey club sandwich is famous for a reason. It's amazing. Try it at home. Make it for your friends and family. Don't go out and pay double in a country club for this when you can make it right at home. Bring it with you to the beach. It's amazing. Enjoy it. Leave questions if you have any questions about this. I can't think of a simpler thing to do, but if there are questions out there, I'm happy to answer them. I'll see you back in the kitchen soon. I'm Chef Dean Max.